Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. Let's tap on it. And now we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right, so the first position from the right, we've got the settings, so the gear icon. Let's tap on it. And now all we have to do is to go to this general section, and tap on the timer. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the specific option, click to apply. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So let's go back and then tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. Alright, as you can see, unfortunately we do not have any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer set. We have to open the settings. Of course, you can also turn off this option basically the same way, so enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the timer and tap on off. And after getting back, we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will take photos right after tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.